Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you my attempt to shine my Pandora and Pandora dupe from Temu with baking soda. Supplies needed are baking soda, toothbrush, a bowl and aluminum foil, stainless steel bowl. First, cover your bowl with the shiny part of the aluminum foil facing towards you. Once that's done, pour some baking soda into your bowl. The amount of baking soda added here is not enough. Later on, you will see that I added more baking soda. Place your silvers in it. Second, you'll need hot boiling water. Pour the water into your bowl and let it sizzle. Let it sit for a minute or so. In my DIY journey, extending the life of an object is what I hope to do more of. Here I added more baking soda. At this stage, you can already see some of the tarnish coming off. However, I went ahead and brushed my bracelets with toothbrush and it seemed to help the bracelets shine again. Lastly, rinse off the baking soda completely. There were still small areas that still look tarnished, so go ahead and brush it if you need to. Voila! Here is how my Pandora and Pandora dupe is sparkling after using this DIY shine solution. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my other DIY cleaning videos. You'll be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye and take care.